Hey Mount Harmony Mustangs, it's time to announce our Black Eyed Susan winner for 2022. It was tough. I know a lot of you heartached over this, but I'm not going to wait any longer because you have been asking. Now I have to preface this with these are the top 15 books in the state. So they are all Black Eyed Susan nominees. They are all phenomenal books, but I'm going to go in reverse order. This is going to sound funny. There's 15 books, but this is in 13th place. So that tells you something. So in 13th place, 10 Ways to Hear Snow. I kind of blame that on time of year. I think you're done with snow. So that was in 13th place for our Mount Harmony votes. In 12th place, I Am Every Good Thing. You know you are. In 11th place, this one made us hungry, Fry Bread. Fry Bread was in 11th place. In 10th place, this one tugged at your hearts, Lubna and Pebble. Now, I had a tie for the next place, so that would make this, I guess, let's see, I gotta get this right. These two tie. These two are the next. So the Star Keeper and it's funny because I read them on the same day. So these two were a tie, Star Keeper and Your Name is a Song were 9th place. In 8th place, this is a poet who shared his heart with you about stuttering. I Talk Like a River. Now we had another tie in 7th place, and it's ironic because they're on the same topic. So maybe you're predicting. We have Bugs Don't Hug and Honeybee, right? We talked about dung beetles, and then we talked about the lifespan of a worker bee, right? Do you remember? 35 days to make 1/12 of a teaspoon, right? To go towards that honey. All right, in next place, 6th place, beautiful story about the oldest student. Do you remember how old she lived to be? I bet you do. You can tell your teachers. The next one I think a lot of you could connect with because this has happened to you. In 5th place is Evelyn Del Rey is Moving Away. Now, that leaves 4. So I want you to predict. That leaves 4 books that were also in the top 4 for your electronic scales that you did during library class. So, you ready? In 4th place, ding! Lift, about the elevator. We all need a lift sometimes. In 3rd place, now this had the highest score for the individual voting. When you were giving it up to 5 stars, this one had the highest score. So votes were close, but it didn't stay in the top place. Cubs in the Tub, the true story of the Bronx Zoo first woman zookeeper. And that leaves us to 2, Barnabas and Ramen. I bet you know which one won. In 2nd place, did very well. We enjoyed it immensely. Magic Ramen, if you remember, we spent some time visiting a school in Japan just to kind of see what that was like. That was a ton of fun. And in 1st place, I think you know, yeah, drum roll, it is the Barnabas Project. So congratulations, thanks for voting. As you know, the theme from this story is a perfect way to end. It wasn't always easy, but they always stuck together. And that's something that we've truly done this year. We always stick together and take good care of each other. So we'll see. Will the state winner also be the Barnabas Project? We'll find out soon. Thanks for voting and all of your hard work and all of your insight. You are phenomenal at reviewing literature. Good job, Mustangs.